Okay, so we have this circle, and we we draw a tangent. So we draw two tangents on this circle. So now, what is this angle, guys?
90 degree.
90 degree, right? Good. So this is 90, this is 90. Okay. So if this is 90, this is 90, what can you tell about these two angles? So what can you guys tell about this P and angle O?
Angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180.
Oh, yes. Angle P and angle O is 180, which means that they are supplementary, right?
Yes, sir.
So how did you arrive to this conclusion?
Because the sum of all the angles is supposed to be 360.
Yeah,
And we know 90 plus 90 is 180, so the next should be 180.
good. So as Abir is saying that we have this PQOR quadrilateral. So from the internal angles of quadrilateral, we know that this would be 360. And Abir is saying that these are 90-90. So 90 and 90, 360. So 180 goes in this side. So this is 360 minus 180. So angle P plus angle O is 1. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So we only need these things in the next exercise. So let us start. Oh, one thing I also forgot. So if we know that if we connect PO, so then all the things are divided in equal parts, right? This we already. So which means that this is divided into two, right? Let's say this is x, and this is also divided into two, y, right? Right, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Which, which means that if I join these two line piano, then angles are bisected, right? So this is also the problem. Okay, so keeping that in mind, what is the first question? So from a point Q to so from a point Q, let me zoom this one, right? Now you guys can see it clearly. So recently I learned that I was yeah. So these were so small fonts, and I was damaging your eyes. So sorry about that. Yeah. So you guys didn't told me that sir zoom this one, right? So now you can clearly see this one, right? Question.
Sir,
Yes.
it was comfortable before also.
Oh, also. Yeah. So this is the first question from a point Q. This is 10.11. Okay, so from a point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter, the radius of the circle. So we have a question that from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter, and the distance of Q from the center. Okay, so this is the tangent, which is 24 centimeter. This is point Q, and the distance from the center. This is 25 centimeters, and they want us to calculate the radius. So you guys tell me what would be the radius. Okay, so Tejasvi, Amira, and yes, and I've already talked about the triplets, but okay, so you guys calculate and tell.
7.
7. So Abir got 7. And Tejasvi and Amira, what about you
The
guys?
7 centimeters, same.
7 centimeter. And Amira, what about you?
I'm still calculating.
Good. So x would be root of 25 square and 24 square, right? So this is 625 and this is, I guess, 576. So how much you will get? 9, and then this is so right. Amira, what did you get?
So this x is the side of the perpendicular.
Yeah, so this is perpendicular, right? So we can use the Pythagoras theorem, right? So this is perpendicular square plus base square is hypotenuse square, right? Hypotenuse is 25, that is square. Base is 24 square, and then this perpendicular we do. So x square. So x square is 25 square and minus 24 square. So this is 625 minus 576. Or you can also use this relation. You can also use a square minus b square. So 25 plus 24 and 25 minus 20. So this is x square. So x square is 49 into x is root 49. So 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So understood, Amira?
Yes, sir. Olympic.
Good. So now let us do the next question. Okay. So question number 2. Oh, the picture is already given. So you have POQ. This is 110, and these are the point of contacts of these tangents, PT and TQ. And you have to calculate PTQ. So what would be angle PTQ? Everyone, please calculate and tell. This we have already talked. about. So that is why I'm asking. And if you guys have any doubt, so that who is joining?
Sir, 70. 70
Same here,
degrees.
70.
70. Okay, so B
70,
got
sir.
good. So everyone got 70 degrees. Good. So because we know that O and T
Mechanics.
are supplementary, right? O and T are supplementary. O is given, so we can calculate T, which is 180 minus 10, so this is 7. Yes, hello Amar. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are late, so you are supposed to join at what?
No, sir, I didn't know this. I was class.
Oh, yeah. So this is the second batch that you are in. So, okay, so you can study this circle again, right? This would be
Yes.
revision for you. Okay, so good. Okay, so you can see that in this batch the people have become lesser and lesser. So there are less number of people because Amar, you went to the first batch and then Shreyash is not joining. Faiz has gone to some other batch, and so we have less people in there, right? Okay, less is I don't know what should I say. Okay, so let us move on to this next question, right? So if tangents BA and PB from a point, so I will not draw this time, and this time you guys try to draw and tell me what they are asking. Angle POA. So you guys and Amar, okay. So should or do you want to join the question answer session of this part? Because you're supposed to be in the other group. So do you want to take part in the question answer?
So I'll see if I can do it or not.
Oh, okay. So, but you had a circle. So when we were doing the circles, you were there, right?
Yes, I think so.
Oh,
I don't
maybe
have memory.
those. Then you already forgot.
No, no,
I'm.
sir. I don't have memory of. Like I remember studying before, but like I don't have a memory of if the class was there or not.
Oh, okay, okay. So I thought that I am teaching that bad that people are forgetting all the things. Hmm. Okay, so you guys please calculate POA and yeah, Amar. So we should not bother Amar, and Amar can only listen, right? So
I'll see if I can do.
yeah, yeah. So if you want to join, then please do that.
Sir, can you please draw the figure?
No, no, no. So you guys try to draw the diagram, right? This is what I want from you guys. That you guys because in your exam the question would be new and you have to draw it yourself, right? So try to read the question many a times, right? And I'm here. So first you guys try, and if you face any problem, then I'm right. So I will surely tell the answer. But first you guys try. So you guys think about this question, right? Because drawing is 50% part. So if half part is done, then you can calculate the answer. But first thing you have to picturize the question. And whenever you are stuck, so I am here, right? The conceptual part is done, right? I guess all of you are can solve the question. And calculation part, that will be from the practice section, right? That you guys have to practice. Now let us work on the thinking or pictorial part.
Sir, 50 degree?
50,
Yes,
50
sir.
degree. So Abir has got 50 degree. Okay, Tejasvi, and don't worry about the answer. You guys so know the class, so you should not worry about the correctness of the answer or maybe incorrect. So, yes, Tejasvi and Amira.
So 50-degree.
50, okay, good. So you guys are getting 50. Okay, and Amira, what about you?
I'm studying with the figure.
Oh, figure. Okay, so let me help you with the figure. That if tangents PA and PB, so what is the common point of the tangent?
P.
P. So let's first make a circle, right? And then P is the outer side, right? And then we are drawing a tangent to the circle. So then the point of contact are what?
A.
A.
P.
A and
B.
B, right? Everyone, good. A and B, good. So A and B. Now the picture is complete, right? Okay. So and center is O, right? Inclined each other at an angle of, so to a circle with center O are inside. So if tangents PA and PB, and forget about these parts, forget about these lines. If tangents PA and PB are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degrees, right? So what is the angle that they are talking about, Amira? Yes, forget about these lines.
Angle DPA.
PPA, absolutely right. Good. So this is the angle that they are talking about. So PA and PB inclined each other at an angle of 80 degrees, right? So then what we need to find out? And then POA. Okay. So what is the angle that they want us to calculate? POA. This one, right? Right, Amira?
Yes, sir.
So first we calculate the whole angle. The whole angle we can calculate, right? So what would be the whole angle O? Yes,
100.
yeah. So yeah, what did you say?
100.
100. Yes, absolutely right. 100, right? Good. So now we know that this total angle is 100. And we have talked about that this line, what does it do?
It
It
bisects.
bisects. So if this total is 100, so this POA would be how much?
50.
50. Good. So good. Understood? Yeah, so you already got good guys. So Amira understood about this question.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So now let us, and if you want to note it down, Amira, so please note it down and then we do the next question.
Done, sir.
Good. So what is the next question? Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Okay, so we have a diameter, let's say we have a circle and then we are drawing a tangent. So Okay, this is not looking parallel, but yeah. Okay, so these are the two tangents, and if we draw the diameter, right? So this is the diameter. Let's say this is O. Let's say this is A, B. This is PQ, and this is M and N. So prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So we have to prove that AB parallel to PQ, right? And what do we know that these M and N are point of contact? ON is radius, PQ is tangent. So we know that ON, right? Or we can write that. So MN is a transversal line in AB and PQ. Who got disconnected? Oh, Learnivio got disconnected. Right. So let's say that AB and PQ are two lines and MN is transverse. So what do we know about this angle and this angle?
They are both 90-degree.
90-degree, right? So we can write that angle OMP equal to angle ONP, right? And each 90 degree. From theorem what 10.1, from theorem 10.1, right? So which means that AB parallel to
Parallel to
PQ.
PQ.
And why? Because
Because alternate interior angles
yeah,
are equal.
so alternate here, right? And we can also choose this one. So we can also choose this one and this one. And their sum is 180. So we can say that interior sum of the interior angles of the same side of transversal is 180. So they are parallel. So we can choose any method, right? So is this clear, Tejasvi and Amira?
Yes, sir.
So,
And, and Amar, you are also here. So yeah, this we have done already. So if you have also any doubts, so you can ask that. Okay, Amar.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yeah, so you guys please note it down, and if you guys have any doubts, so you can ask, right?
Done, sir.
Done. Tejasvi, Abid, what
Done,
about
sir.
you guys?
then so
Okay, so the next question is fifth one, and this is an argument question. So we have this circle, and then we have this tangent, and we are drawing a perpendicular to this tangent from the center. Oh, so prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. Oh, so we are drawing a perpendicular. We don't know that whether this is a center or not. So if this line is perpendicular to this tangent, so from theorem 10.1 we can say that. So from 10.1 we can, let's say this is O, this is M, and then this is P. and Q. So we can say that OM is a radius, right? Right? We can say that, right,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
So if OM is radius, which means that if so, this implies if OM is radius, then O is center, right? Because radius passes through the center. So this is the argument question. Okay, you guys please note it down and then we'll do the next question.
Done, sir.
Right, and we can write that because radius because radius passes through the center. Okay, so yeah, let me erase this one. And then let us do this next question. So the length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the same question. So you guys please do this question and tell me the answer. Right. So you guys please do this question and tell me the answer. So whenever you have a difficulty in understanding a question, so understand the question part by part. So the length of a tangent, right, uh, is 4 centimeter. Okay. So break the question. Forget about this part. So the length of a tangent is 4 centimeter from a point A and A at a distance 5 centimeter from the circle. So this is the second part.
So I got 3 centimeter.
B. So Tejasvi is getting 3 centimeters. Yes, Amira and Abid. What about you guys?
Sir, I got 3 centimeter.
3 centimeters. And Beer, what about you?
Sir, I'm solving it, but I'm not able to get 3 centimeters.
So you see that length of the tangent is 4 centimeter. So you have a point and this is 4 centimeter, right? And then you have this radius and then you have this A point is how much distance? A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. So from the center, this is 5 centimeters. So this would be 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So picture, right? Picture is important. Okay. So now let us do this next question, right? So now you guys can calculate, right? So good, everyone. So now let us do this seventh one. Okay. Two concentric circles are of radii. Concentric meaning,
One radius.
yeah,
Oh, one center.
yeah, one center. Con meaning same, center meaning center, right? So concentric meaning same center. So we have two circles and this has same center. Okay, so this has same center. And they have the radii. So the bigger one is 5 centimeter and smaller one is 3 centimeter. Right. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So we have a chord. So we have a chord which just touches the circle. So for this chord, this is the tangent for this smaller circle, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this you guys know that this is how much?
90 degrees.
90 degree.
Yeah, so that is 90, but this is radius. How much is that?
3 centimeters.
Centimeter, right, everyone? And how much is this?
5 centimeters.
5.
5 centimeter.
So this is 5 centimeter. So now we have to, again, this is also 5 centimeter. So if we calculate one part, then we can multiply by 2 and then we get the other part.
So, sir, 8.
8. Oh, you directly calculate. Good.
Yes, sir, because the previous question had the same numbers. So,
Okay, good. So Abir is getting the
Sir,
chord.
same here, 8.
Okay, so Tejasvi is also getting. Good. So you guys are sharp. You guys have become. So no need of me from today, right? So onwards. Good. And Amira, what would be AB? So let's say this is M. So AM would be how much? And from AM multiplied by 2, that is AB. So Amira, what would be AB? The question is that we have to calculate the chord, the length of the chord, which is AB. So first we have to calculate AM, Amira.
8.
8. Oh, so you also get AM or AB. What is 8? AM or AB?
AM, AM.
8. AM. So this is 5. This is,
AB.
yeah. So this would be how much? AM would be how much? From the Pythagoras, 4, right? So this would be 4. Right. Good. So this would be 4. Then AB would be 2 into 4, which is, so AM is root of 5 square minus 6 square, which is 4. And AB is 2 AM, so 8. Good, everyone. Good. So now I am not calculating any question. You guys are quickly calculating the answers. Good. So, yeah, everyone understood, right? And Amar, you are also here. So you are also part of this. So if you have any doubt, you can also ask, right?
Oh, so
Yeah. So if
I
you,
speak too much because I have sore throat.
oh, sore throat. Oh, sorry, sorry to make you say so many things.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah. So I'm saying that if you have any question, you can ask. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now coming back to this eighth question, right? Which one is this eighth question? 10.12, right? So 10.1. So we have this circle, and let's say this is right, and then very small. So let us draw the figure. So we have this one, okay, and then this one, then this one, and then good. So now this would be. So we have D, R, C, Q, and S, A, P, and B. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, right? So what can we say about A, B, C, and D points? Yeah. What can we say about these A, B, C, and D points?
The angles are all equal to 360.
Okay, no, no. So I'm not asking about the angles. I'm asking about these A,
So
B. Yes,
all
yes.
the points have two tangents.
Yeah. So these are the points outside the circle, and from those points they have drawn the tangents to this circle. Right? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So A, B, C, D are the points outside the circle, and the tangents are drawn. So let's say that if this is X, PB, then what would be QB?
QB will also be X.
X, right? And let's say this RC. RC is Y. So what would be CQ?
Also
Why?
Y.
Y. And then let's say this is X, Y, Z. So Z, Z, and let's say this is W and W. Okay. So let me use other color because this is getting mixed up with, let's see, this is X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, and W. Good. Now we have to prove that AB plus CD, this is equal to AD plus BC, right? And what is given? So given I didn't write, but given you know that A, B, C, and D are the points outside the circle from which this so from outside the circle from which the tangents are drawn. This is a very long statement. Circle from which the tangents are drawn. Okay, we could have written the arguments tr equal to ts or something like that. But let's just write these two. Okay. So now we have to find out AB plus CD, right? Let us find out that. So AB plus CD. This is how much? AB is how much?
W plus X.
W plus X. And CD is how much?
Z plus Y.
Z plus Y. So we can write this as X plus Y plus W plus Z or Z plus W. Any confusion in this, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So let's say this is 1. And what is AD plus BC? What is AD? Yes, AD.
Z plus W.
Z plus W and BC. Where is BC? BC. What
X
is
plus Y.
X
X?
plus Y.
Right. So we can write again, rearrange this and write X plus Y plus Z plus W. So this is our second equation. So from first and second, what we can write? RHS is equal. So from first and second, we can write AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Any doubt in this, everyone? Do you guys have any doubts? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so Abir and Amira, you guys are silent. So any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so you guys please note down this part. And I don't know whether this statement is necessary or not because you guys can see clearly that these are the points outside and the tangents are drawn. So we can, okay, so we can skip this big statement, right? So this was just for the understanding part. Can skip this and we can just simply write that ABCD is a quadrilateral.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, Tejasvi and
Done, sir.
Amira, what about you guys? Amira,
Done,
what
sir.
about good? And Amar, oh, so I don't want to make you say something, but
Nice.
yeah,
This one
whenever
is a
you,
question you already explained last time.
yeah, so this one we did, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, oh, this one you didn't understand last time.
Yeah. This one was the one I got doubt previously. It's fine.
Oh, so is this clear now?
Yes.
Good, good. So why didn't you ask then, right? If you, like, so you know the class and okay, so don't keep any doubt, right? So otherwise I will feel guilty that you didn't ask. So, Don't make me guilty. Okay. Okay. So the next, next question is what question? 10.1. So you guys already know that my drawing is bad, so I will use this drawing. Okay. So this is a question. X, y, and x prime y are two parallel lines. So these are parallels, okay, and these are tangents also. So xy and xy prime, y prime are tangents also, and this dy is also tangent, okay, or AB. So we have to prove that angle AOB. So let me zoom this one, then zoom this one. So we have to prove that this angle, this angle is 90. Okay, guys. So how can we do this? Yes.
Sir, so angle OAB plus
OAB. Yeah, OAB plus
OBA is 90.
OBA is 90. Okay, so yeah, so this is the correct method, but we don't know how they are 90. Yeah, you are correct. Okay, so if we can make them 90, right? If we can prove that, so Abir, what Abir is saying, guys, that if these are 90, so if we add these two, they are 90, then obviously this would be 90, right? So let's say that this is X, this is X, and let's say this is, oh, this is not X, but Y. So this is Y. And if we prove that X plus Y is 90, right? So X,
Uh, Sir, they are at the same side of the transversal.
same side of
Since XY and the two lines are parallel.
okay, so you are absolutely correct, but the angle is this one. What is the angle? So this is the angle, right? On the same side of transverse, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, you are correct, absolutely correct. So you are in the right direction. So now you tell me that what was the color of the pen? Oh, so if this is X, what would be this? If this is X, what would be this? Hmm. This is the line joining the tangent and the center. And these are the two tangents. So what would be this, this and this angle?
Sir, 90 minus X.
Bisect, you already have, so you have this tangent, right? So this is the outside point. And you are joining the center from the outside point. So what are these angles? Yes,
The angle is bisected, so
bisected. So this is X.
X, yeah.
Oh, this color is different. What was the color that I chose? So yeah, so this is X, X, and this is Y, Y. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what we can do is that now we can write that angle, what is that? CAP. Angle CAP plus angle, what is that? QBC. Angle QBC is 180 Okay. So angle CAP is X plus X, and this is Y plus Y. So this is 2x plus 2y is 180 degrees. So 2x plus y is 180 degrees. So x plus y is 90. This was the goal, right, Abir?
Yes, sir.
So if x plus y is 90, then this, so in triangle AOB, right? X plus y plus z is 180. So this is 90. So z would be 90. This is what we wanted to do, right? And x equal to x because we have to write that center line joining the center bisects, right? Line joining the center and tangent point bisects. Okay, so this we used. Right, okay, and Amira and Tejasvi, do you guys have any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
so
sir.
no, okay, so please note it down, and we can also do this by some other
So can
method.
I write this down?
Yeah, yeah. So you can also, yeah, so you can also write it down, right? And do you have any question, Amar?
No, I'm fine, sir.
Good, good. Yes. So if all of you guys have understood, so please note it down, and I will also tell you about the other method. So there is another method that we can do this problem. Oh, and this is why, because same side of transverse.
So what is the certain line joining the center and tangent point?
Yeah, so I should write, this is a very long statement, so I should write it that line joining the center and the point and the point outside the circle from where the tangent is drawn. This is a very long statement, but do we really need to write this one? From where the tangents are drawn. Right, so I guess that you don't need to write it, but if you write it down, then it would be easy to understand. So if the examiner is checking, right, and then you write this one, so he would be confused that why did you get this one. So it would be appropriate to write the proper reasons for your calculation, right?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Everyone noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So can you guys think of the other method? Everyone, okay, so Amar, did you note it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you guys any other method? Can you guys think of any other method for this question? So we don't know this part, right? I will give you a hint. So let's join this one. So this is not. Let's join this one. So this is your hint. So how can you prove this one? Yes, guys. Okay, so let me give you the example, and you guys, you have So what can you say about these two angles? Again, the same property.
They both are 180.
5.
Both are equal,
Yes, sir.
right? Who said 90 degree? Yes. So these are 90 degree, right? Okay. And similarly, what about these angles?
They're equal.
They are equal, right? So now from the linear pair, right? What would be the sum of x plus y plus y?
180.
180. So we can write as, so this one is simpler, right? So 2 of x plus y, this is 180. So x plus y is 180 by 2, which is 90. So x plus y is this, right? So x plus angle y is angle A, which is 90. So you can also do this by this method. Understood?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
it's 7 minutes already. Oh, so we started late, so we can take this much of time. So if you guys want to note of this one and also write down, so linear angles and y x equal to x, which is, so this you write down the idea that you used. Okay, everyone noted. And if you guys have any questions, so you can also ask. Yes, guys,
Noted, sir.
noted.
Done,
So
sir.
which one was easy to understand? This one or the previous one?
This one.
This one,
This one.
sir.
Okay, this one. So yeah, you can use this method also. So yeah, we'll stop it here and oh, you guys have that class assessment. Okay. So please log into your Learnivio account and take that active step. So I am leaving, guys, and you guys also can leave, but you guys please complete that test. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
No, no.
Yes, yes, Amma, what did you say?